It's the 2024 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kait here. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I cannot believe we are in the final days of our challenge. January has just flown by. Remember, you can join in any class at any moment. They're all standalone, but if you do want to go back to the start, there's be a little link up there that you can find. This is going to be a lovely Pilates class today. All levels are welcome, and they have been welcome in all of my classes. This one might be a little bit more intense, just a few moments here or there. It is some excellent abdominal work, some big, deep tummy work, along with a little bit of arms. I do use a set of weights. You don't have to. They're there if you want them. Go ahead, roll out your mat. Let's get started. We'll begin on our back today, so lie yourself down. Take a moment to make sure you're pointing your nose straight up to the sky, hands out and away from the body, shoulders down. Lightly imprint the spine, just waking up that lower body for a moment. Notice as you did imprint the spine, did you maybe tuck the tail, kind of lifting your pelvis off? That's not the goal. Relax the tummy, and then again, contract. Push the low back down without letting your shoulders rise up. Let it go. Last time. Now hold that imprinting feeling. Feel the tummy working. And this might be a little bit funky, but lift your right hip up and away from the mat. Set it down. Lift your left hip up. Set it down. So it's like a little pelvic tip side to side rather than back and forth. Do that a couple of times. It's always such a simple move, but it feels so good in my lower back, especially if you know you're joining me first thing in the morning and this is the first time you're moving. This always feels real good to me. Let's slow that down. Continuing to wake up the body, still imprinting the spine, shoulders down, nose high. Go ahead and cross your right ankle over your left knee for a little figure four. Notice if the hips did want to move. Ideally, we're still staying level. Find that nice stretch there for the hip. And now again, we're going to take that side kind of hip lift, and it's almost like a rock. Usually going to, or like lifting up, the left hip is going to feel more natural, more easy. The next time you do lift up your left hip, pause for a moment, really bring that tushy up and away. Make sure your left shoulder is still connected. Just enjoy that twist and that deeper stretch. Lower everything down, including your right leg. And then same thing other side, a little cross right there. Just enjoy that nice little figure four. And then as you're ready, we'll take our little rock of our pelvis right and left. Now with the left leg lifted, it'll probably feel more natural to pick up the right hip, to kind of lean over to the left. And like we did on the other side, this time do pick up the right hip, pause. It's that extra little twist. Make sure your right shoulder is staying connected. Let it go. Set both feet back onto the mat. Make sure they're in line with the hips, shoulders down, nose high. Keep your spine imprinted. Stretch your arms up overhead. Just a big, deep, beautiful stretch there. Full big inhale. Exhale, let that go. Grab your weights if you want to. Push them up to the sky. Touch them together, shoulders down. Just feel the weight of them in your hands, helping to keep the shoulders connected to the ground. Flip the palms, put a little bend in your elbows, almost like you're holding a great big ball, and we're just going to open our arms off to the side. Exhale, bring them back in. So it's inhale, we open. Exhale, you hug your beach ball. Inhale, open. Exhale, big hug. Take that at your own pace. No hurry, no rush. You can 100% do this without the weights. You do not need them. You just get a little extra if you do. Open and close. Two more. Last one. Bring the hands back up overhead. This time straighten the elbows. Flip the palms so they're facing towards your knees. I want us to drop them down to about hip height. Let them rise back up over the shoulders, down to hip height. Lift them back up. Are you still imprinting the spine, controlling your abdominal muscles, keeping your spine long and straight? Even though we are, of course, using our core here, we still want to Relax our face, soften through the neck. Last time, down and up. This time, bring the hands down by your side. Pause. They're not touching the ground. They're just hovering away. Feel what that's like to hold the arms in place here. Flip the palms so they face up to the sky. Flip the palms so they face down. Rotate the palms up. Rotate the palms down. Again, rotate up. Rotate down. 3 more up and down. Last time, rotate up, pause. It's like your inner arms are kind of shining up to the sky. Take a big inhale. Lightly pulse the weights up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Flip. Go ahead and move the hands a little bit away, set the weights down, palms by your side, shoulders down, relax the upper body. Pick up your right leg. Can you stomp into the left foot, stabilizing through that left side? And from here, 5 times, let's bicycle our leg around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, we're gonna go, if you wanna go a little bit bigger, left hand behind the head, curl head and chest up, float the right hand away, bicycle forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head and chest down. Keep the leg in place. Flex the foot. 5 times. Drop, exhale, kick it up. Inhale, drop, exhale, kick it up. 3, 2, last one. Pause. Again, we'll do exact same thing with or without head and chest lifted. Hand can float away again. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. 3, 2, last one. Pause. Stretch both hands away. Curl up just a little higher. If you can, take a big inhale. Drop everything down. Imprint the spine. Pick up your left leg. Shoulders down. Nose to the sky like your Pinocchio. Bicycle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward. Contract the tummy. Keep the shoulders down. Nose is still high. 2, 1. Last time. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, we're going to do it one more time. If you want to, right hand behind the head, curl up, stretch the hand away, and let's go forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the foot down, head and chest. Oh, I lie. Keep the leg up. Flex the foot. And then we drop, exhale, lift. Drop, exhale, lift. Each time you pick the leg back up, contract the tummy muscles more. Feel those low tummy muscles working. Last one. Again, 5 more with or without the head and chest lifted, with or without the hand up as well. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. 3, 2, last one. Foot down. Hands come right behind the head. Curl up a little higher. Fold from the sternum. Look over the horizon of your knees. Take one more big inhale. Exhale, pick up right leg. Another big breath. Exhale, pick up left leg. Can we reach both hands out and away? If that's too much, keep one hand down. You've got this. Take one more breath. Set the feet down, head and chest down. Beautiful, my friends. Grab for your weights. This one's a little bit funky. Tuck your elbows into your side, shoulders down, nose points up. From here, I want us to drop our weights down. Exhale, little bicep curl lift. Drop the weights down to the hips, little bicep curl up. Now keep that movement going. You have an option to pick up one leg or to pick up both legs. If it's too much with both legs lifted, of course, set them down. 3, 2, last one. Straighten the arms, pause. See if you can curl head and chest up. You'll have to move the hands away since we're lifting. And now float them away from the mat. If this is too much with both hands, set one down, bring one hand behind the head. Big inhale, exhale, curl, inhale, return. Exhale, curl, inhale, return. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Straighten your right leg out. Exhale, bend. Straighten the left. Straighten the arms. Exhale, bend. It's a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, straighten, reach, pull it back. Legs, arm, pull it back. A leg, arm, pull it in. Leg, arms, pull it in. Last time or last set. Last one. Hold. Keep your arms in place, lower the head and chest, shoulders down. Take a full big inhale, exhale, push the arms up. Make that circle we were doing earlier. If you need to set the hands down, that's okay. Open the arms, give your beach ball a hug. Open the arms, exhale, big hug. Take it nice and wide, pull it back in. Take it nice and wide, pull it back in. 3, 2, last one. Lift up, pause, separate the arms, flip them, shoulders down, curl head and chest up. You can set the head down if it's too much, nothing wrong with that at all. Keep lifting though, keep rotating from, lifting up from underneath the shoulders. And now I want us to rotate our palms up, rotate them down, rotate the palms up, rotate them down. Little rotation and release. Little rotation and release. Last time, rotate, pause, fold from the sternum, look over at the knees, little pulses of our arms up. 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more. 3, 2, 1, last time. 3, 2, 1, and let everything go. Drop the weights down, take your hands overhead. Heel toe the feet a little wider, knock the knees in. Find a little windshield wiper if that feels good. Do your thing, my friends. From here, pull your knees into your chest. Big hug, big squeeze. Take a little rock and roll on the back of the body. Come up to a seat when you're ready. Find a nice tall seat, lifting up and out of the waist, hands to our lap, chin to chest. Find that stretch to the back of the neck. I know that a lot of those curling up kind of movements can create some tension there. Roll your right ear to right shoulder, looking forward to me as you do so. Chin back down to chest. Left ear to left shoulder. Chin back down to chest. Bring your gaze upright. Point your nose to the right without turning your chest. Look forward to me. Point your nose to the left. Look forward to me, relax, shake anything out. Okay, turn to the side, stomp your feet into the floor. Doing a little C curve, hands behind the thighs, lift out of the waist, tip back into your C curve, pause. If you have a ball and you want to use it, you absolutely can. Holding here, contract the tummy more. Think about your pubic bone pulling up towards the belly button. Could you reach one or both hands away? A few options. Hands can stay facing down. This might be better for our shoulders, or we might place our palms together. If you find you're collapsing in, open flip. There's nothing wrong with that at all. From here though, see about reaching your fingers maybe 2 centimeters further away, while at the same time you are reaching your sacrum, that big bony plate at the base of your spine, further back. I want you to inhale, slide to your right. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, slide to your left. Exhale, come back to center. Now, I want you to focus on keeping your nose, your sternum, and your fingers all in one line. So when I turn, I'm not trying to turn my head back, nor am I trying to yank those fingers. Instead, everything stays in one long line. Beautiful. Take a twist, return. Take that big twist, return. Last time right. Exhale back. Last time left. Exhale back, pause, separate the arms, flip, roll yourself up to a seat. Take the legs out and away about as wide as the mat, hands to your lap, relax the head. Both hands reach high. Exhale, twist right. Unravel, twist left. Unravel, flip the palms, bring them down. Again, we're gonna come back into our Pilates C Curve with one weight if we so choose. You absolutely don't have to. Stretch your arms out and away with or without the weight. Stomp into the feet, tip back, C Curve. Stretch the arms further away. Resist the feeling to lean back a little bit more. I want us to twist to the right and then 3 times. Take a big inhale, exhale, pick up your left leg, touch it down. Exhale, pick up the leg, touch it down. Last time, pick it up. Bring it down, pause, full big inhale. Exhale, find your center. Twist to the left, same thing, big inhale. Right leg up and down. Right leg up and down. Last one. Set it down, big inhale. Exhale, center. Over right, 3 times. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Last one, lift. Bring it down, center. Over left, big inhale, exhale, up and down, up and down. Last one, bring it back, find your center, roll yourself up, set the weight off to the side. Take an easy seat this time, shoulders down, head high. Again, turn your nose to the right, keep the chest still. Forward, turn your nose to the left. Forward, turn your nose to the right and twist to the right, big, small. Take that at your own pace. Same thing, other side. Let it go. Now stomp your feet into the floor once more, hands as well. I like to point my fingers towards my sitting bones. If that does not work for your body, that's okay. 3 times, I want us to exhale, push up, reverse tabletop. Touch the hips down. Exhale, reverse tabletop. Set the hips down. Last time, reverse tabletop, pause. See if you can squeeze your thigh harder, reaching the pelvis up, separating the shoulders, pointing the nose to the sky. One more big inhale. Drop everything down. Open up the feet one more time. Reach the hands high. Hug your inner arms to the ears. Lift up. Take a small hinge. Don't worry about coming close to the feet. Instead, keep the spine long. If there's a bend in the knees, that's okay. Hinge a little deeper. Big breath. Final time, round over your legs. Nod the head yes, shake it no. Whatever feels good to you. Slide your hands up to your thighs, roll yourself up to a seat, cross the legs one more time. Take a moment to really rise up and out of the waist. I know it's so easy to kind of cave in there, to lean back, but we are finding our beautiful tall seat. One more big deep inhale. Exhale, dip the chin to chest. As always, my friends, pat yourself on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.